first stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find our overall direction and trend that our stock is in, our support and resistance lines, our entries and our exits, and all that other good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in. So currently the market just opened about a minute ago. We're up about 2% for the morning. You can see the slight gap up that we have. I'm going to first go over our support and resistance lines really quickly, and then we'll get into more in depth on the candlesticks. So this is, like I said, we're on the daily interval, so this is the overall picture that we have, okay? So up here is our major resistance line. This is the highest level of resistance tested. If we look left, you guys, you can see that we got rejected in this area, this area, this area, and this area. So ultimately 4 times. You want to test these areas at least 3 times. So you can see we got rejected and pushed all the way down to our major support line down here. You can see that we bounced from this area, bounced from this area. We look left like Beyonce says. We bounced from this area as well, and so forward over here. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys, and this middle line just works as a minor resistance and support line. So don't get too confused on this third line right here. All right, now let's get into more on where we're at. Oh, first, let's look at the volume really quick. So we're at 1.2 million, so we're definitely above that 150,000 threshold that we like to see. So let's get into where we're at. All right, so you can see a couple days ago we came up to this minor resistance. We kind of were consolidating, and then we ultimately pulled back just a little bit, and we look left. We kind of have this minor support here as well. You can see that we had this 50% retracement and started to push up and creating this reversal. So this is a good sign. We don't want to see this pull back all the way, because then that would show relative weakness. But as of right now, we only pulled back 50%. So like I said, that is pretty good. And we are above the trend line, you guys. So that is another good sign, you guys. I don't doubt that we will push back up into this resistance area and then retest that resistance to see if we can create a breakout. So as of right now, if you were to be getting in, I don't really see it as an issue, but personally, I would wait until we can come back and retest this resistance and create a breakout to come up and come back down and retest this as a support level. And that would be your best entry for profit wise, because as of right now, if you were to get in, we would only be able to move up maybe like $15 up into this minor resistance before we hit this resistance area. So like I said, if you wanted to get in, it wouldn't really be an issue. I would have your stop loss or a mental stop loss at least under the 617 area. So if we do drop back below that area, you'll be able to get out and wait for a better entry. But other than that, you guys, like I said, I would personally just be patient and wait for this to come back up into this resistance area, okay? Because we don't know if this will come back up into this resistance area and then we get rejected and pushed back. So the reason why is because we just want to be able to wait to see if we have that breakout, okay? But other than that, you guys, I like to make these videos really fast and efficient, and if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.